this version of their rotation in the past. Tots Carlos will be playing as an outside hitter. Michelle Gumaba will play opposite.
And the Cool Smashers kick it off. Alina Bicar, second, make that third straight start for her. Coming off a 19 excellent set performance in their very first win of the Reinforced Conference. Batista got it.
Quick recovery there. The succeeding round of the Reinforced Conference.
Well, there's no way right now the Tigo EV crossovers are going to make it to the top 3 after round 1. They'll finish at the bottom 3, but they're still going to make it to the next round, that's for sure. That's on the line for Batista.
Kasi dami na nilang titles, so everybody really wants to level up.
That's true. I mean, take a look at the Thunderbells. As you see, back-to-back points here by the Cool Smashers. And they finished third twice, second once, if I'm not mistaken, in 2025. And still, it's one of their worst years. They haven't won a championship yet. And they're in the middle of the pack, so to speak. Good dig coming from Atienza, who missed the last 2 games for the Cool Smashers. Batista tries again, and this time will get the side out.
Consistency is now the name of the game for the Cool Smashers, whose focus is on all the little things. Polished movements, better communication, perfecting their plays, most especially during tight sets and close matches. And maybe lessening those errors, as you mentioned earlier, Neil. As team captain and veteran, Eliza knows the strength they bring into tonight's game with their lead bench. On the court today, Eric and Neil.
All right, thanks very much for that report. Jules, out of the 8 points of the Tigo EV crossovers, 8 are from errors of the Cool Smashers, and the 3 are attack points of Batista.
That's why Creamline has to be aware of those unforced errors sa simula pa lang. Because yes, they can be error prone, pero kadalasan
scored by the Cool Smashers. Bicar finds Gaston for the side out.
Kailangan pumasa 90% of the time. She has to focus on reception kasi pag opposite, they don't have...
Tots Carlos, 4-time best opposite and 1-time best outside hitter, and another ace for Tots Carlos. For Xuan, Mitch Gamit, also great performance blocking-wise in the last game of the Cool Smashers, had 3 monster blocks. Xuan with looking for back-to-back points. Nierva chasing it down, an easy over from Batista. Xuan again. Robles with coverage in the back row. Uni Batista cross court. The dig goes over. Chance ball here for the Tigo EV crossovers. Batista again off the block and outside.
So much power for the double block of the Cool Smashers.
Reinforcements seeing action in places like Turkey, Kazakhstan, Israel, Poland. There's an ace. Loss against the Thunderbells. She had 11 points, including 3 blocks. 3 of 9 blocks by the team. Left-handed shot coming from Batista. The reverse set. Gumabao with a hit. Nierva to Batista against 2 blockers. No problem.
Time and space, Uni Batista, to think of her next move.
And the coverage going away from the second touch. So 2 in a row scored here by the Cool Smashers. Make that 3 in a row. Ace from Coco Xuan.
To put pressure on the receivers of Sherry Tigo.
Reception has been an issue here for the Tigo EV crossovers. Looking for their first 2-point lead today. Not there yet. Now a chance to tie. Batista going up. And that be going over. Bicar. This time to Galang. Cross court. Rejected. Bicar all the way out to Batista again. Xuan keeping it alive. Atienza one-handed pass. Carlos with an easy over. Another opportunity to put it away. Combination play. Batista got it. Game is tied at 14. 2-year-old Uni Batista out of Cuba, former national team player of Cuba. Good pass coming from Carlos. Combination play there. Bicar pops it up, so it's going to be an off-system play. Galang against 2 blockers. Looking for a check. Did she get it? Yes, she did, according to Patrick Castillo, our first referee. And so far today, Gaston with 3 points. Good dig from Xuan. Gumabao. Nierva picks it up. Bicar. Again, another pipe attack. Xuan keeping it alive. Galang. And now an easy over for the Tigo EV crossovers. Panaga on the run. Mierba again playing excellent defense today. Galang. Yes.
Now a 3-point lead for the EV crossovers.
Meanwhile, the Cool Smashers led only by 1 early. And just a few minutes ago, Robles. Schwan has been playing great defense, but this one, third touch, comes up short. Trying to avoid back-to-back losses for the first time in the Reinforced Conference. Schwan overpasses, but she got lucky. Villarete also checking in for the first time. Atienza. Here's Rhea Di Maculangan Villarete to Valdez. Valdez! Instant impact. Taking over for the Tigo EV crossovers in his first year as head coach. Mierba again popping it up. Robles rejected. And that save is no good. A good side out after the timeout for the Cool Smashers. Carlos got 2 aces early. Running attack. Gaston got it.
Coco and si Tots.
Miss Morente checking in for the first time since she played against the Angels. She missed the last 2 games for the Cool Smashers. Gaston again, back-to-back points.
That's just high efficiency attacking.
1 ace for Gaston. She's got 5 already. Schwan. Dump is good. Negrito. 14 excellent sets, including 1 point in that loss against the Thunderbells. Batista for the lead. And a set point, not there yet. Atienza has been defending very well. And there's Schwan scoring her 6th point, and the game is tied at 23.
You have Abby Maraño and Uni Batista, and most of the balls have been sent to the left pin.
Batista. Oh, Atienza, this one getting away and will not come back. Batista with her 8th point. Bad pass. Off-system play for the Cool Smashers. There's a dig by Robles. Batista looking for the win. Got it. Back-to-back points for Yuri Batista in the first set. Belongs